of baby Muzi is near. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 24th of March 2023 on Monday. Sibonelo is wary of Maswazi's intentions with him after Njinji's revelation. Muzi has a medical emergency and Nosipo doesn't want to take any chances. Kapsile has another exciting guest on the fix on Tuesday. Namaswazi find herself having to choose between her family and love. Muzi is rushed to critical unit. Sibonelo and Esbu get the ball rolling on Wednesday. Nkunzi is perturbed to see an old enemy in his turf. Nosipo struggled to deal with her son's new condition. New blood tries to steal Kapsile's thunder on Thursday. Nkunzi is done with Sibonelo's lies. He goes and does his own investigation. The Gwalas are told the fate of their son. Kapsile doesn't take kindly to Sarah trying to steal her timelight on Friday. Sibonelo's money boast is plunged with holes too big for him to plug. Muzi's health continues on a downward spiral. Njinji discovers a way into the heart of Kwamasho. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.